Welcome to this video from the Carleton University Library on citing a DOI in APA citation style. DOI stands for Digital Object Identifier. The American Psychological Association, APA, defines a DOI as a unique alphanumeric string assigned by the International DOI Foundation. Here's an example of a generic DOI. You can see that a DOI has three parts. The first part is doi.org followed by a backslash. The second part is a string of numbers followed by a backslash, and the third part is another string that can include numbers and letters. The purpose of a DOI is twofold. One, to identify content, and two, to provide a persistent link to the location of that content on the Internet. The publisher of the content assigns a DOI when the digital material is published and made available electronically. Here are two examples: the DOI for a journal article and the DOI for an ebook. A correct DOI can be hard to find, particularly if you access the publication through the library website. Why? Because a library-generated DOI includes proxy information. So what's proxy information? Library materials are accessed via a server that authenticates users by their IP address. Authorized Carleton University users are current students, staff, and faculty. So the proxy server is a firewall and a filter. And a library-generated DOI includes both the original information from the publisher as well as additional information to identify the publication as one that can only be accessed by authorized Carleton users. Let's see an example. We'll find the ebook Ethics and Politics in Early Childhood Education in the Carleton University Library collection. We put the title into the main search field and click on Search. The book is our first result, and we will click on the hyperlink title. Then we will go down and click on the link that says Taylor and Francis eBooks Complete. Taylor and Francis is the publisher of this ebook. When we access the book via the library website, here is the DOI. And we can see that the information proxy.library.carleton.ca is embedded in this DOI. However, APA does not recognize this DOI because it contains this proxy information. And if we go to the website for the International DOI Foundation, www.doi.org, and put this DOI into the search field and click Submit, we find that it is not recognized. However, if we only put the string of numbers into the doi.org field and click on Submit, this search takes us to the publisher's page where the original DOI is visible. APA citation style requires the DOI and prefers a DOI over a URL where available, without the proxy information. For journal articles, the original publisher's DOI is typically located somewhere on the first page of the journal article. Here's an example. If we scroll down the page, we can see that the original publisher's DOI is located in the bottom left-hand corner of the first page of the article. Sometimes the DOI is located in the upper right-hand corner of the first page. So remember, the DOI, or Digital Object Identifier, is a unique identifier given to an electronic publication. Use the original DOI when citing an APA, not the library DOI, and use the doi.org site to find the original DOI. This is the end of this video.